normal classes but online. It was मतलब the feeling was of a live class only. बीच में you ask questions to check our attention वैसे and tests, regular tests you took and checking also you're done. We are at our home, so we are comfortable also, and all the transportation पूरा time it gets cut, and I feel I would prefer online classes if we are concentrated fully.
Hi Khushi, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Good. Okay, so
Good.
how are studies going on?
It is good. मतलब 11 is new, so bit hard. Maths is a tough. So maths is a bit tough. Practicing, थोड़ा doing. हो रहा है, चल रहा है.
Okay. So Khushi, this is just a conversation with you. A few questions that I would want to ask. It's not a very formal question answering session. Our discussion, the way our classes would go on, just that way, a little discussion with you. Okay. So the first thing that I would want to congratulate you on once again is that this year your class 10 CBSE results have been released and you grabbed 99 out of 100 in science, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And then even
Yes.
more to celebrate, Kushi has bagged 100 out of 100 in mathematics. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is
Yes.
quite an achievement, right? This is just quite an achievement. So Kushi, you have been studying with me for over a year, right?
Yes. Yes.
And our classes have been completely in the online mode. Huh?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And we have studied physics, chemistry, and biology. The full CBSE science that we had, we studied in the online mode. So,
Yes.
will you be able to tell me that your honest reaction, very honest reaction, or what do you feel about our classes being conducted online? How it helped you? Did you find something that was a little difficult? Just give me an overall experience. I would love to hear. Since I conducted the classes, I would love to hear.
Ma'am, online classes, first of all, the transport, pura, the time that gets cut, so our time is saved. I feel I would prefer online classes unless and until we actually concentrate pura dhyan se and we are not distracted. I would prefer online classes only. And the way you explain each and everything, physics also, like people say na ki sums hai, to how will we do? But the board and everything, I think it was like normal classes but online. It was मतलब the feeling was of a live class only. बीच में you ask questions to check our attention वैसे and tests, regular tests you took and checking also you're done. So I think it was the feeling was of like a live class only, but it was online. So it मतलब comfortable flexibility, and we are at our home, so we are comfortable also, and all the transportation पूरा time it gets cut, and I feel I would prefer online classes if we are concentrated fully.
Okay, okay. That's so nice to hear, Kushi. The next
Yeah.
thing that I would know from you is that, see, you are a kid who, you wanted to go with commerce, right? Huh?
Yes.
And is that
Uh,
what you have done in 11?
yes. I have taken
You've
commerce.
taken up commerce. So naturally, what we
Yes.
see, suppose say when I was in 10th, I never wanted to go with humanities. So I naturally didn't, spend much time studying history geography in 9 and 10. So तुम्हारे साथ क्या something like this was happening that you didn't want to take science, but then you had to focus on science and you ended up getting amazing marks in maths and science. So I just want to know this time frame balance and how did you motivate yourself, or was it from within? Like, just help me, guide me on that.
Uh, Ma'am, I was at the end, I was actually confused between science and commerce taking, but physics starting so only I don't like. So while giving boards, I was like, कि last exam है science का, I have to do good. आज तक, if you see my marks, I have not done very good in science, especially. I've always scored 80 में से 65 above, and probably 70 less. But this time I was like, कि last exam है and boards है, I have to give my best. And maths, I have loved starting से. Maths is my favorite subject now also. अब 11 में it has been bit थोड़ा difficult. इसलिए and science I was like कि last है कर लेते हैं हो जाएगा. And the notes you give also, that only had to note. Notes the last 10 मतलब boards का 5 days, the duration which was given. I only studied from your notes.
That's a great
Yes.
compliment. Thank you so much. You just studied from my notes. And Kushi, आपको क्या लगता है कि the physics numericals we did, chemistry में equations, reactions, whatever we've done, anything
Mm.
mattered that it was online? You found it difficult to follow what I said?
No, matlab, nothing. It was like no change. It just felt like a live class, as I said. Online physics numericals and all, it was similar. Like the board and which you created, you gave me to do the sum. I clicked the picture and sent it to you. Matlab, it was matlab, I was fully concentrated in my class, so it was like a normal class only. And there was no issue कि online है तो होएगा नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
So this is so nice to hear, because still now we see some people a little skeptical regarding online classes. So Khushi, as a senior Didi, now that you're in 11, what would you want to tell to your juniors who are in class 9th and 10th, going for online classes, thinking of going for online classes, or to my students who are currently pursuing their 9th and 10th, ICSE, CBSE, both, they are starting from me. What little message would you want to give them as a senior, or how would you suggest them to go about with my classes, what to take home from my classes? Like क्या message तुम देना चाहते हो?
I would want to say कि पूरा टाइम 1.5 hours का क्लास होता है, concentrate fully, and ऐसा नहीं कि you will get bored. Ma'am is actually मतलब fun. She will ऐसे बीच बीच में ask you to मतलब ऐसे she is fun, मतलब she'll give you rest also. And notes, I would say ma'am always teaches from a PPT, so write all the notes from there, and the PPT covers everything in the syllabus. It covers extras also. So if you study from your PPT, एंड 10 उतना हार्ड नहीं है जितना हाइप है. इफ यू स्टडी ढंग से, यू विल स्कोर ग्रेट.
Okay. Khushi, aapko, like, if I ask today, like, I was talking to another student also. He's like from ICSE. So I asked him, ki, what is the, one topic which you still think, ki, abhi agar main aapko bolu, ki, Khushi, I want to give you a 30 minutes class today. Which topic would you want to learn from me? What would it be, Khushi, that you enjoyed learning from me, the way I taught and all? Kya chahiye aapko? Once again.
मैम पूरा तीनों साइंस पीसीबी से. आई मतलब केमिस्ट्री वाज माय फेवरेट, सो आई वुड लव टू डू कार्बन वंस. कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड्स.
कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड्स, आपको क्या अच्छा लगता था वहां पे कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड्स में?
कार्बन में कार्बन एक चैप्टर था जो समझ आता था, मतलब जो पसंद आता था. बाकी सब तो ठीक है, समझ आता था, बट कार्बन ही पसंद आता था. कार्बन में दैट मतलब कार्बन कंपाउंड्स बनाना, ड्राइंग एंड ऑल.
हाँ, yeah,
हाँ,
that was fun and
एंड
we practiced a
वर्कशीट्स.
lot, है ना? We
एग्जैक्टली, हाँ.
practiced so much. You made the structures, I made the structures, we exchanged it
एंड
was.
एग्जाम में लाइक बोर्ड में नथिंग, नो क्वेश्चन वाज न्यू टू मी, मतलब एवरीथिंग वाज डन बाय.
Yes, so that is what I try. And those who are watching this, those who will be watching this in my YouTube channel, I just want to say this for them, that the total number of questions that we cover, this is not possible ki out of that something, completely out of the box will come. We cover
यस.
everything. I'm not telling that word by word questions are gonna come,
हाँ,
but
नंबर्स
concept
अलग होते थे,
wise,
फॉर्मेट. एग्जैक्टली, फॉर्मेट ऑफ एवरी क्वेश्चन वाज सेम. नो क्वेश्चन वाज न्यू टू मी.
that is the
तो
great part कि वहां पे बैठ के आपको ना कुछ शौक ना लगे. That is
नहीं
the
लगा.
best part. नहीं लगा. Okay.
आई वाज स्कैर्ड मोस्ट अबाउट साइंस ओनली, क्योंकि एज आई सेड कि साइंस नहीं होता था मेरे से. आई वाज एक्चुअली स्कैर्ड. आई क्राइड बिफोर साइंस एग्जाम में. आई टोल्ड माय मदर कि भाई लास्ट एग्जाम है साइंस का, देना अच्छे से देना. हो गया अब.
Like Khushi, you were always a very diligent child. All throughout my classes, you were a diligent child. I gave you 20 questions. You never complained that, ma'am, I can't do so much. I gave you extra classes. You never complained, ma'am, I can't attend. Right? You were always a diligent kid. लेकिन एग्जाम के पहले थोड़ा कुछ हो जाता था कभी कभार. लेकिन thank God that the boards turned out to be like awesome, absolutely awesome. So
Yes.
thank you so much for taking out the time amidst the, I know, class 11th ka busy schedule. Thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
talking to me, Khushi. Please stay in touch. It was like so good to talk to you. Thanks, beta.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye. I leave.
Uh-oh.